It's another pitch video. We've got 6 apps pitching us on their software for accounting firms. Got some fresh meat, let's take a look. Aider.
Hi everyone, I'm Brendan, founder and CEO of Aider.
Aider, whoops.
Stage tech company focused on accountants and bookkeepers, helping you scale advisory services across your whole client base. Here's a tour of the product. Here's your dashboard, an aggregated view of your clients, shows you red lights and green lights, who needs your help today and why, helps you manage by exception and be proactive. You can go down at a client level and we have this data checklist that helps you do your compliance really quickly, helps figure out what's wrong with the data so you can really quickly and efficiently do the taxes, as well as run your monthly or quarterly reporting for your clients. The reporting is always done for you, keeping this data live. We use generative AI to write the executive summary for you. And we also have an advisory assistant. Think of it as ChatGPT built into the product, but secure. You can submit your client's data, say, hey, Ada, generate me some meeting notes, and the AI will write up your meeting notes that you can use to scale advisory, saving you loads of time and help become a better accountant and bookkeeper for your clients. That's Ada.
The issue with this is always what is the quality of the underlying data, right? Like that, so many AI bookkeeping companies have died there where they're like, oh, we're gonna find these magical things, but then the info is garbage. So it looks like they're kind of pulling in a quality assurance angle also. But man, I like the AI stuff, helping me, helping me write my executive summary. Being able to chat with the data, man, that was one of my big beginning of the year predictions of stuff that's gonna be super helpful, is semantically talking with financial results. That's exciting.
Hi Jason, we are thrilled to reconnect with you, a past Dryrun user, and to be introduced to your growing community. Dryrun empowers advisory pros by connecting and visualizing scattered client data so that they can understand the whole story, model options, and have actionable conversations. Client setup happens in seconds, not weeks. Seamlessly connect a client's QBO, Xero, or Dynamics data. Dryrun will build a cash flow forecast in less than 60 seconds.
That Dynamics data guy just fell out of his chair. He's like, woo, finally.
Clearly see a client's runway and address overdue AP and AR. Large jobs, multi-stage jobs and projects? No problem. Dryrun is the best tool to handle multi-company and multi-currency consolidations quickly and accurately.
Hang on, okay. Already we've got an 11-yard penalty? 60-second pitches, people, why is this hard?
Next level forecasting includes business development activity. Combining forecasts in Dryrun, you will see the peaks and valleys, pinpointing action items. Partnering with Dryrun means tapping into their experience working with thousands of advisors and business owners. Interested in 40K advisory engagements, with less than an hour's work a week? Book time with us. Powerful automation, proven systems, actionable conversations. Results. Dryrun.
Okay, I'm pretty sure what just happened was that was an AI generated voice that Jeremy then lip synced to in the beginning.
We are thrilled to reconnect with you.
Okay, Dryrun, cash flow reporting basically. What I especially liked about this one when I was in practice is it does long-term cash flow reporting, and there's a bunch of apps that do, but it did short-term really well for me, and it would sync the bills in from the accounting system and all that. In my firm, we sold a lot of short-term cash reporting because people were constantly struggling with paying short-term bills and managing that stuff week over week. It's actually something people pay really well for, ironically. The ones that don't have cash. That's Dryrun. Check that one out at dryrun.com. I'll put links to all these down below. Who's next? Well, if it isn't, Ryan Lazanis.
Hey, Jason. Robot Lazanis.
What is this?
I mean,
why
Ryan
is everybody
Lazanis
doing this?
Here. I could talk about my online coaching program, Future Firm Accelerate, and how we now have 700.
Okay, can we hop in the time machine real quick here? So if you don't know, Ryan Lazanis is a fellow internet think boy, puts out content like I do online. But 6 months ago, we learned he's actually a robot, lives in this hollowed out volcano. This is his house on Google Maps. There's a whole controversy with multi-level marketing thing on sponges, needing to plug himself in at accounting conferences. Turned out he was actually a robot. But interestingly, on his podcast lately, he has used AI generated voice. And honestly, I cannot even tell the difference between AI him and real him. Probably because he's actually a robot.
100 plus accounting firm owners using my step-by-step system to build firms that finally give them the freedom they've always wanted. I could talk about how we have members who take month-long vacations away from their firms, or how our members routinely land clients at higher prices than they've ever charged before, or how we have members who are running 7-figure firms while working 40 hours per week or less. But honestly, what I really want to talk about is the rumors of you calling me a robot that needed batteries to operate.
Okay.
I can assure you that there is nothing robotic about me, nor my AI voice clone, so let's please put these rumors behind us. Thank you.
Real convincing. I think he's got maybe missing a software update there or something. So Ryan runs an online community, Future Firm Accelerate. How to quickly scale 7-figure modern accounting firms that cut your workload in half. Got a whole bunch of members in there, honestly, like smart people. And I'm so bullish on communities. Ultimately, the most helpful thing for me was finding other peers who ran firms similar to myself, learning a ton from their journey. But also Ryan is like the guy, he is like the framework guy. Stop trying to figure it out all on your own. Beg, borrow, and steal, no shame in that. I swipe like all of my ideas. Okay, 2 for 2 on robots. Let's see if this one's a robot.
Here in Pennsylvania, Arnold, the local accountant, is meeting with John to go over his monthly financials.
Oh, hello, John. This is your monthly profit and loss statement. Your income was quite good this month. However, your expenses, if you look at the account codes 54399 and the account labeled 5476.
This is so
are a bit high,
confusing.
and I would imagine the trend line, well, you don't see a trend line on here, but the trend line is a bit too high.
Okay, stop. There is a better way. Import all of your data into Spotlight and generate reports that tell stories. Use charts and graphs to show what happened and what will happen. Make the next meeting valuable with Spotlight reporting. Okay, stop. Not in the eyes.
Okay, 10 out of 10. He whipped that together in like a day. Well done. Okay, Spotlight reporting, a way to spice up those stanky old accounting reports, because who the hey understands a balance sheet and profit and loss? I know you do, but I can tell your clients don't. I especially like this stuff when you've got clients and client groups, so you can roll them all up, do some benchmarking, but also do consolidation in a better way, because for whatever reason, SMB accounting apps just don't believe in consolidation. Like, it's just not a thing. SpotlightReporting.com, I'll put a link in the video below. What's that? Oh, it's halftime. Hey, quick halftime show from this week's sponsor, LiveFlow, the easiest way to sync QuickBooks data back and forth with your Google Sheets. I will show you. Check this out. This is my favorite spreadsheet. It has important business data. But the only way data makes it in here, manual. I gotta key this stuff in, and frankly, I just cannot be bothered. So if you've got a spreadsheet already that you love, LiveFlow is a great way to make it smarter. Check out how easy this is. I'm gonna go to extensions, LiveFlow. Let's count the clicks here, okay? Boop, that's one. I want a cash basis P&L. Boop. Sidebar, this is connected to my QuickBooks so I can see any of the clients I have access to. Those clicks didn't count. Boop. Was that 3 clicks? Was that all? I have to close this. 4th click. Okay, over here we've got a P&L. I can make this a one-time import. I can get it to sync automatically. Give this Google Sheet access to somebody who I don't want to have QuickBooks access, right? But also, here in my important business sheet, I don't want to manually update office expense every time. So I'm gonna come over here. Is this January? Yes, it is. Reference the January cell. Hello. Drag that over. Buddy, that's gonna update automatically, and all my sheets and charts and such. Yeah, you're impressed. And would you believe me if I told you that LiveFlow was just named the Q3 Fall Leader in the Financial Analysis category? That's right, I don't know, what more do you need? I don't know what else to say, besides check out LiveFlow in the link in the video description. Okay, 3 more pitches. What do we got next? Interval.
Hi, I'm Trevor Greenway. And I'm
Hey,
Colin
Trevor.
Sevigny. We're the co-founders of Interval. We built Interval to change the way accounting firms analyze data, discover new billable opportunities, and unlock value for their clients through valuation and growth planning. With fewer CPAs entering the profession, we know firms are fighting one constant: time. Interval allows accountants to maximize their
Ain't
time,
that the truth?
creating great outcomes for business owners by automating the discovery process. Accountants often refer to the lost art of discovery. In a modern accounting practice, partners simply do not have the time or the capacity to comb through financial statements to find the engagement opportunities that unquestionably exist within their book of business. Firms across North America are using Interval to be that strategic lens. Interval effectively automates cross-departmental referrals and aids in proactive planning and risk mitigation, creating revenue opportunities and client satisfaction, which allows you to save time discovering and spend more time delivering.
Okay, I like it. You know what I don't feel like we have enough of is like ways to monitor things across all of our clients' accounts, even the ones we don't do bookkeeping for. So this one's Interval, and the idea is you connect all those accounts and it's going to like surface the stuff that may need to lead to a deeper conversation with the client. I think there's a huge opportunity here to do this. Like if I'm connected to 100 accounting files and there's certain engagements I want to take on, go deeper with clients, in order to have like a ledger-led version of that where those scenarios come up within the accounting system and it says, hey, go have this conversation. Man, that's gonna be such a good way to cherry pick like the most valuable engagements you could possibly do for clients. I get it, okay? Link to that one in the video description. What do we got next? Gacon. Whoa, 28-yard penalty.
Hello from Gacon. Our most popular apps are Gacon for QuickBooks and Gacon for Xero. We are doing two-way synchronization between Google Spreadsheets and cloud accounting apps. You can schedule automatic data uploads to QuickBooks or Xero directly from Google Sheets, automatically refresh and email updated QuickBooks or Xero reports by using a flexible schedule. You can find our products on the Google Workspace Marketplace. We try to use the latest and the greatest technology. That's why we created an AI color picker for business overview reports. When you're pressing the Feeling Lucky button on an AI color picker based on your mood, financial results, and current weather condition will generate and apply colors to your financial report.
Oh. Is that a thing for real?
Now you can see how AI changes your report. To see more features, please visit our website, Econ Services, or if you want to schedule the demo of our products, please write to us at support@econ.services.
Okay, so Gacon is like OG, sync stuff to your spreadsheets, works with QuickBooks, Xero, two-way sync, in some cases too, interestingly, so that you can update things in the spreadsheet, push it back to the accounting system. But most notably, they launched an AI feature, it looks like, to color your sheets. Is that legit? Did they actually do that? That's kind of fun. Okay, links to all of these down below in the video description. We do these pitch videos like once a quarter. If you're a software company, get in touch if you want to be in the next one. And I'll put a link to the playlist up here where I've done some past pitch videos, and you just might find something you fall in love with. Not like actually fall in love though, that would, no. AIs might make that just a little too real for us. A tool to build a helpful professional partnership with. How's that? That's better.